It's been a while since the last video, I know, and I've been busy. I shot some drone footage the other day when I was out in the car, and just around here. I'm just learning how to figure out this drone thing, so I just thought I'd give you an update while the drone stuff goes on. So as you can see by some of the drone footage in the background, there's some building going on at the house. So that's got this busy here, and we got the RV we've been out with that as well, and the kids have got projects on, so a lot of activity around here. So I haven't been out much. I've only been to a couple car shows. Been out to the car a few times, just taking it out for a run. But other than that, it's been pretty busy, so no time for videos. The update on the car has been running great, no issues. The dash pod that I put in and all the gauges are working great, except for what I did with the Speedo. So that connection I made to the back of the Speedo and the mechanical isn't working properly. So I gotta figure something out with that. I can do, Mav sent me a Hall fix sensor that I could put on. I'm thinking of just using the GPS one. But anyways, we'll see. The wiring's right there, it's handy to get at. I put it in a place that if it didn't work, I could correct it easily. So that's kind of where I'm at. So anyways, enjoy the footage. And I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to do another video. And those guys that are local that I said, hey, I'd let you know when I'm going to a show. Everything's been impromptu lately. So as soon as I do get a chance to plan something, I'll give you guys a jingle and off we'll go. Until next time, see you later.